Monkeypox vaccines are now here for people in Cincinnati and Hamilton County.
Northern Kentucky has been giving them for a week or more now, but there are not that many available.
That's right. Evan Millward has been covering this for us since last week. Evan, what's the rush on these?
Well, right now, there aren't many cases of monkeypox confirmed in our area. Local health leaders want to keep it that way, but stigma and short supply continue to be a challenge.
Vaccination is a way to keep our entire community safe.
Monkeypox numbers across the tri-state remain low. 3 in the city of Cincinnati, 68 across Ohio. 8,900 nationwide, but spreading quickly through skin-to-skin contact.
I think the rush really is, and we saw with COVID, is this is our window of opportunity to prevent this spread. And so we need to get as many people vaccinated as possible that might be at risk so that we're not in a situation where we have thousands of cases in the state of Ohio.
Dr. Christian Gosvick with the Christ Hospital shared frustration with us first last week. He says he gave a vaccine, though, to a patient today.
Potential exposures are a little bit easier to get a dose for.
In fact, the city and county are prioritizing vaccines based on risk. First, lab techs and those who have been exposed, then
any kind of event where monkeypox exposure occurred, that would be the second group. And then the third tier group is, so right now it's men who have sex with men because that's where we're seeing the majority of cases.
To sign up, the county has a survey with registration. Though monkeypox is not sexually transmitted, the questions focus on sexual behaviors and partners.
I think it's responsible to target the population that's at risk for disease at this moment.
Some of the questions are pretty invasive, so I think when you're not talking about that with your usual primary care doctor and instead with someone you've never met before, I think those can be difficult questions to answer.
And Northern Kentucky Health also has vaccines available by appointment and a similar screening process, similar questions. The White House is expected to announce a strategy to split vaccine doses to get more out of each vial to vaccinate more people. Reporting live, I'm Evan Millward, WCPO 9 News.